Hello everyone and welcome to this video. So in this video I'll be sharing with you my best 3 WordPress themes that comes with the best demos and preview websites. So if you are looking forward to having a theme that has good preview websites that you can just select based on the kind of website that you want to create, you import it into your website, you update the informations and every other thing, maybe the colors and everything to fit the kind of website that you want to create, then this video is for you. So the themes I'm going to be sharing with you, we are going to be looking at it from the perspective of quality and quantity. Okay, when I mean quality, that means the preview website or the demos and the template, they are of high quality. Okay, that's number one. And number two, that means the theme itself has a large collections of ready-made preview websites and demos that you can choose from across different niches or different category. All right, so without wasting time, let's go ahead and check out the three of them. All right, so number one on our list is the Jupiter X. As you can see right here, it's also a trending theme. You'll find it on ThemeForest, and the links to all the themes and the three themes I'm going to be recommending, you'll find them in the description of this video in case you want to pick anyone. And whichever one you are picking, also let me know in the comment section. All right, so without wasting time, like I said, this is Jupiter X. It's a multi-purpose WordPress theme and also works with WooCommerce, and then it is compatible with Elementor Page Builder. So if you're a fan of Elementor, you can see it works good with it, and including WP Bakery Page Builder. Now, since our core interest is good demos and previews website, remember all the things I'm sharing with you, they have full demo, all right, full demo websites, not home-page demos. Okay, some themes will tell you they have 10 ready-made home-page demo. That means it's only the home page that they are offering you. Okay, but for this now you can see 450 plus ready-made websites. Okay, so each of these websites you are seeing, whichever one that fits the kind of website you want to create, it has all the pages that you need for that particular website. Okay, so if you want to check out the rest, you can just click here to check out the remaining one. All right, so that's the first one. The first one is Jupiter X, and it's currently at this price, $58. All right, so the next one on our list is called Beat Themes. This happens to be one of my favorites. I just did a video on this, a tutorial video. If you want to check out that video, also I'll leave a link to it in the description of this video, how to create an e-commerce or a clothing website using this. All right, so for this also, it's a trending theme. It also works with Elementor Page Builder, WP Bakery, and all of this. Okay, and let's look at some of the previewed website and demos. You can see this is 700 plus previewed websites, okay, for you. And then if you want to check out some of those, so you can see it across various niches, across various categories. You can see animal care, education and science, magazine, occasion, finance, health and beauty, and the likes. Okay, that's 744 and 47 rather. In fact, they've even added two to be 749. Okay, because like I said, I just got the theme and it's 749 currently. Maybe they've not updated it here on ThemeForest. So if you look at it, and this one, like I said, it works with, and they have their own page builder, which is the big theme. It is quite similar to Elementor page builder. So if you know how to use Elementor, you won't have problem with using their page builder. Or even if you know how to use Elementor or WP Bakery, you won't have problem with using their own page builder. But anyway, some of the themes, the preview templates or websites for this particular themes works with Elementor. So it's not that it's a must that you must use their own page builder. Okay, so you can see it, a whole lot of them, over 700 of them that you can pick from. So whichever website you want to create, definitely you find one that fits your kind of website. So if you don't want to start from scratch, so this is a good way to go. All right, so the next one is a pretty popular one, okay, but you might not know that you can actually use this also, is Avada. Okay, you can see over 1 million sales, which tells you how quality the theme is. Okay, so now let's check out some of the previews. Now for this, it has, you can see it as at now, 113, okay? So, and the websites are of high quality. I don't want to open them one after the other so that the video will not be longer than necessary, but you can take out your time to check out all these three things that I'm recommending to you to see which one fits what you want to do, okay? So they are quality designs. You can see even from the thumbnails here, you can see that they are quality design that you can actually work with. Okay, so those are the three that I'm recommending, and this is going for 69. Now let me add one to it. Okay, I've used it a couple of times, and especially if you're on a budget and you're looking for something good also, this comes highly recommendable. Flux Pro. Okay, so this is a multi-purpose WordPress theme for $39. I think this is the one that is cheaper compared to the other three I mentioned. That's why I add it as an additional one, okay? And this comes with I think 300 or thereabouts. Okay, you can see these are 347, okay, and their designs are good, their designs are amazing. All right, so you can also check this out. You're looking forward to getting a WordPress theme that comes with ready-made websites. Okay, these are not, again, these are not just on-page demos. All right, so don't forget. So again, the first one we looked at was Jupyter X. Then we look at P-theme, we look at Avada, and then I added this, which is Flux Pro. All right. So let me know what you think in the comment section, and let me know which of this theme are you going with. Again, don't forget, I'll leave a link to them in the description of this video if you want to check them out or you want to purchase any of them. So guys, thank you very much for watching. If you have any question or any comments, do let me know in the comment section, guys. So that's all for this. My name is Prosper, and I'll see you all in another video. Bye for now. Oh, if I had known the life I was searching for was looking me right in the mirror. If I had known the life I was searching for was already mine here in Benny.